Now let's create a test class for a class in ABAP development tools. Using code completion control space in the editor, you can also insert predefined code templates. Code templates are displayed on the top of the code completion window. Just choose a template for a test class and insert it into the editor. By using Tab button, you can comfortably navigate between variables of a code template and fill them with values. And now let's implement a test method. There is a dedicated templates window available under Window Preferences dialog. Display all templates. Here you can create, edit, remove, import and export code template. We'll create a new template for a test method, assert initial, and save it in the template library. After typing in the name and description, implement a pattern and insert the needed variables as appropriate. Now we are ready with the template. Press OK button. The template is stored in the template library. And now just start to type the source code for the method and use code completion to choose the new predefined template for assert initial method. Set the value in the template and it's ready. And now we will insert the next method, insert equals, and set the values for the variables in the template using Tab button. Now they are done. Just start to type your code in the editor of ABAP development tools. To write your source code very fast, use keyword completion, which suggests you ABAP keywords you have started to write down. While writing your source code, use comfortable code completion to get the list of methods and functions in the editor. Get additional information for each entry in the list in the separate yellow window on the left side. Using code completion, you can insert signature templates for the class methods, function modules, and exceptions instead of typing ABAP code manually. If you use code completion window and the code completion window has more results than the list is able to show, there is an additional entry in the list to start a search dialog. In this search dialog, you can search for any development objects. Just start to type the name. Now you will see how to compare source code objects in different systems in ABAP development tools. You may want to use this feature to see what has changed in the source code between different systems or even across various releases. To run source code comparison, use context menu Compare With and choose the target system. Compare editor starts and will display the current source on the left source page and the target source on the right source page. And you can use these arrow buttons to navigate between the differences. If there are no differences or the source is not available in the target system, you will get the corresponding message. You can also view the history of version management. Just use context menu, Compare With, Revision History. And in the history view, you can see all the relevant information about the history of version management. For example, you see all active and inactive revisions with their numbers, the date of the change, who has made the change, transport request number, description. Double-click on the revision to compare the revision with the latest one, or alternatively use context menu Compare with the latest. You can also select two versions and use the context menu, compare with each other, in order to find differences between them. This will also start the Compare editor. And periodically use the refresh button in the history view to refresh the version list.